Now let me show you how to make a cool transition effect. Okay, so this is the vocal file and this one is the track. So let's get a transition before the vocals kick in. Let's copy a long sustain and let's copy it on a new track. Hit R on your keyboard. That would reverse the clip. Let's put in a reverb. Increase the dry to wet ratio to 100% and the decay to around 4 seconds. Now you can flatten the track. Now hit R again. Place the affected vocals right before the main vocals start. Next, let's drop in an auto pan plugin. Change the rate to 16 and the amount to around 60% and the phase to 0. Let's automate the rate from 1 by 16 to 1 by 24 and to 1 by 32. Let's drop in another reverb plugin. Here, let's automate the dry to wet ratio. Let's start around 5%, increase it to 100% by the end of the phrase. Next, let's use an EQ plugin. Now let's open up the band from 100 Hz to 15 kHz. This is how the affected vocals sound.
मैं